So there I was out flying, minding my own business when a young dude walks up and starts asking questions. Same ones I used to ask. How do I get started? My answer? Only two words. I told him to start practicing. Look, the best investment you can make as a beginner is your time. It's not parts, it's not the latest drone, it's time in the sim. I told him to download Liftoff on Steam. It's only like 20 bucks, and once you get yourself a controller, you'll be using that for the real drone later, so it's already a part of the mission. Then you want to grind about 30 to 50 hours. And trust me, once you're hitting power loops and dives in the sim, you'll feel way more confident in the real world. And while you're out there racking them flight hours, you can start collecting your parts or save up for that burn and fly model. Either way, the secret sauce is going to be the same. Practice, crash, learn, repeat. Every pro pilot that you see, they started off just like you, on the ground, curious. So take that curiosity and turn it into commitment. The sky ain't the limit, it's just the beginning.
Start to practice every day I fly. In that lift off sim, I'm touching the sky. Crash, reset, now watch me glide. Better pilots made when they put in the time. Click that throttle, flip that switch. Starting out slow, but I'm building that switch. 30 hours in, now I'm feeling legit. Virtual skies turning real quick. Steam got the sim, it's only 20. Flight hours stacking, I don't need plenty. Just a controller and a little grid. Every loop I fly, I commit. Start to practice every day I fly. In that lift off sim, I'm touching the sky. Crash, reset, now watch me glide. Better pilots made when they put in the time. Real flights coming, I'm almost there. Tuned up, fingers control in the air. From sim to the sky, I pay my dues. Now